If you're trying to set up the SmartEX app on your phone for mobile ticketing on Shinkansen rides in Japan, well, you may be running into issues linking your digital Suica card. More specifically, you can't really view the entire card number when viewing it in your Apple Wallet. Lucky for you, we have the solution today. Here are the steps to view the entire card number for your digital Suica card on your iPhone. First, go to the App Store and search for Suica. Next, install the app. The Suica app will automatically recognize your digital Suica card installed on your phone, and it'll display the balance. Click the Info button, and then you'll be able to see the card number listed as the SuicaID. This is the number to copy and paste into the SmartEX app. If you don't have a digital Suica card installed on your phone, a better solution is to just install a digital ICOCA card instead. ICOCA and Suica function exactly the same, allowing you one-touch payments at most transit centers, convenience stores, vending machines, and more. The only difference is that the ICOCA number is readily available for adding to the SmartEX app. And you can view the full process for configuring the SmartEX app with your digital Suica or ICOCA in this video here. Digital IC cards are one of the best travel hacks when traveling in Japan, and they can even be set up before you arrive. Be sure to subscribe for more travel tips, and check out InsideKyoto.com and ChrisRowthorne.com to get the most out of your time in Japan.